Our Hiligaynon word is hímo. Hímo, which means to do or to make. Hímo. Naghimo siya sang desisyon. It means he or she made a decision. Siya is he or she, so it's gender neutral. And then desisyon is a decision. So naghimo siya sang desisyon. Naghimo kami sang cake. So we are making a cake. So kami is like we. And then himo is make. And then cake is cake. So naghimo kami sang cake. Himoon ko na ang plano. It means I will do the plan now. Na is already or now. So plano is a plan. So himoon ko na ang plano. Ano ang himoon mo buwas? What will you do tomorrow? So buwas is tomorrow. Ano is what? Mo is you. So ano ang himoon mo buwas? And that is all for our Hiligaynon word himo. Himo, which means to do or to make. Hímo. Hímo.